I'm Robert Sibeli, Chief Business Development Officer at Alta Sciences. Over the past decade or so, Alta Sciences has been working closely with our sponsors to create a unique model that moves their drug development program seamlessly across the various phases of development. The concept of successful integration model requires the implementation of specialized tools, proprietary software, and the process to have various divisions communicating with one another, as well as an executive leadership team fostering a culture of mindset of integration. That last piece is the X factor to ensuring sustainability and flexibility for our sponsors, allowing them to navigate our organization effortlessly and engage at any entry point. Today, I'm joined by many of our executive leaders across Alta Sciences who work continuously hand in hand to successfully conduct our sponsors' various studies and our programs across our organization. How does Alta Sciences implement our integration model? And how does the regulatory support contribute to this?
We've all worked in organizations where we've seen silos build up, and so as a team we've really worked against that to be very deliberate. And one of the keys to that is our project and program management group. And our program managers are where we really span the organization. So whether a project has CDMO and lab, or clinic and preclinical, CRO services, you have one contact who knows the organization, knows the players, and who's assigned to this study, makes sure that communication is happening seamlessly, and we have handoffs that occur as they should.
It's really the oversight of those handoffs. It's somebody having the view of the entire program that manages all those difficult pain points for that sponsor, has visibility on everything going through, is able to pull the whole thing together. And that really gives the sponsor the advantage in working with us, because we're not getting to a point where we're doing preclinical and taking weeks and weeks and weeks to get data into the clinic, and the clinic's sitting there waiting to start a study and like, oh, what's going on? Where's my report? Where's my send data? The program manager's been managing that all the way along, making sure that those unnecessary delays really just don't happen.
And like our program management team, our regulatory team can really provide that continuity across the program piece. So we're there early, and the earlier we get in, we can analyze any deficiencies in the regulatory strategy, and then we can really stay close to the data, the preclinical data, and really bridge that gap so that we can quickly go from preclinical to clinical, and allowing our sponsors to have the best quality IND submission or CTA submission, and really just speeding up the timeline to get them there.
Thank you so much for joining me. Incredible information, valuable information, and for all those who are watching, thank you very much and have a great day.